So we happened to see this particular stuff yesterday, whatever draw node that I created yesterday, right? That for that I already given ChatGPT a prompt to create the nodes for this. That only I shared with you. So if you read this, you will have better idea of what we have learned yesterday. Because this decrypted whatever information that I passed on to you during the class hours. I would advise you to go through this first because it will give you better clarity and more in-depth idea about what has been taught. Few things which are probably not that I covered, stateful set, daemon set, job, cron job and all. We'll definitely take a look into it, but try to read it and try to understand. See, service, you can see how to expose the application, how to expose a pod to the outside world. Replica set, number of pod replicas running. It is to make sure high availability. Like that, everything is clearly mentioned. Just go through this, and then what you do is just go through the YAML file also. How, see, there are a couple of things which are very important. First 4 or 5 lines, it's difficult to understand. There is a specific Kubernetes specific variables or keywords. These keywords are important to understand. We'll do a deep dive a little later. Once you do that, you try to compare with the Docker file and then how to deploy a task, how to deploy a pod. Then it has to be practical stuff that you need to do. That will be deploying a Docker file in as a Docker swarm and then create a task and deploy a task in ECS cluster. Similarly, on the Kubernetes cluster pod. So if you look here, there is a different command here if you have a Docker swarm. So you need to get your EC2 instance created. So the task will be okay. And Santosh, I'll write it. What I basically want is create a create an EC2 instance, deploy, sorry, install Docker, Docker Swarm, and then follow this link. Deploy Docker container. And then ECS. Create ECS cluster with T2 micro or T3 micro. Create task from AWS CLI. Create service from AWS CLI. Make sure the service is running in ECS console. Access the web page to see. Access the web page from browser. Here also the same thing. Follow this. Can you get this done by today? It won't take more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes, because see, even if you want to create a ECS cluster, it is just a matter of 5 minutes job to create a ECS cluster. Do you want to share a screen? One of you who has account logged in will get this done. ECS cluster creation. And one of you can just create a EC2 instance. You're able to hear me, Kushal?
Shankar, sharing my screen, Shankar. One
Yeah.
minute.
Just a second, I'll allow you to share a screen. Yeah. Because Ranadi, you have an option to connect to your AWS console.
Yeah, I
Yes,
opened it.
yes, Shankar. We opened the
Okay.
AWS console.
Yeah, you can go to ECS while Kushal is creating a EC2 instance. You can go to ECS and create a cluster.
So do we need like a EC2 instance for this? Like, do we also need to create an EC2 instance?
No, we don't need to create. They will automatically create it for you.
Okay, fine.
Probably you can just hold on for just 2 minutes. Once he creates an EC2 instance, uh,
Mm-hmm.
we can do that.
Okay, okay.
T2.micro or T3.micro is okay. Otherwise, you will be unnecessarily built. Better to avoid all that. I could have asked you to create it from Terraform. but I wasn't sure whether you have it ready. Terraform scripts. If you have Terraform, just simply run /deploy.sh.
Shankar, I mean, not at ready, Shankar. That one.
Okay, just go ahead with your console itself.
Okay, from here, Shankar.
Yeah, from here, just everything is okay. Just type Docker for your container, for your EC2 instance name, Docker. Yeah, come down. Yeah,
T2 is fine.
yeah, fine. Create a key pair. Put the Docker only. Yeah, create. Okay. Network settings okay. By default, it is okay. SH traffic, allow traffic. HTTP, that you can define later. That's okay. Come down.
HTTP, we need to allow that.
Yeah, we need to allow it. So we have to allow other port numbers also. Is there option to create a security group or as yeah, so there is option, right? Choose existing security group. Choose select
Yeah.
existing security group. Yeah, just drop down. You may have a different security group which allows SSH. No, you don't have it. Okay, that's okay. You create a security group. That's fine. Yeah, go down. Yes.
Shankar?
Yeah, click on create. Parallelly, what you do is you listen to the other screen. We'll log into the machine later. Anudeep or Vikas, whoever is ready, you can share the screen.
Okay, Shankar. I will share my screen.
You'll have to share it once again.
Yeah, Shankar, I'm sharing. Okay, Shankar, can you share send my screen?
Yes, I'm able to see your screen. On the
Okay,
search,
now
you type ECS. Yeah, yeah, clusters, create cluster. You can just give a name as Kubernetes learning, or simply say Kubernetes is okay. Kubernetes is okay. Okay. Service connective fault. Try to zoom it. Go with Amazon EC2 instance. Infrastructure optional. Yeah, remove the AWS forget. Okay, create any auto scaling groups. That is okay. Come down. It should be on demand only. Okay, T2.micro is okay. Come down. Create a new role is okay. That is fine. Minimum 0, maximum you make it 2 for now. We don't want to anything. We don't want anything more than this. So minimum. So okay. Sorry. Minimum you put it to 2. Minimum you put it to 2. Maximum put it to 4.
okay.
Okay. SSH key pair. Create a key pair. Say Kubernetes. pem.pem. Yeah, go to the other tab, previous tab. Okay. Okay. Yeah, choose that. Come down. Root volume, EBS volume, let it be 30. VPC, you say create a new VPC. VPC and more. I'm not really sure it is VPC and more is required. So just go back to the other tab, cluster. Choose subnets. Yeah, you should create VPC and more. That's okay. I mean, you are already there. Yeah, VPC and more. Give the project name as Kubernetes. Number of availability zone 2, that is okay. Number of public
Number
subnet
of publics. So,
subnet 2. NAND gateway none, that is okay. S3 gateway, that is fine. Okay, you can get it created. You go back to the previous tab, it will prompt you to use the new VPC, newly created VPC. Right.
yeah, Shankar.
To public to private subnet, right? Okay. Come down. Create a new security group. Yeah, give a name. Let it be Kubernetes. Yes, okay. Come down. UQ port number. Port number range from 22 to 22 dash 9999. 4 nines. Okay. Custom. Click on custom. Choose anywhere. Okay. Come down. That should be fine. Yeah. Create. You may have to refresh that particular. Just check whether you're getting it.
I think it's done. Yeah.
Okay. So how you should do is you go to Kubernetes, go to the cluster. You will probably see infrastructure. Go to infrastructure. You'll see probably 2 instances added here. It may take a little while for the instance to be created and then added here. Can you go to the can you go to the top? Go to EC2. Um, last one, last tab. Key pairs. Yeah. Click on EC2 instances. Just check whether instances are coming up, loading up. Okay, it is initialized.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, go all the way down to the auto scaling groups, left side. Here you can see the desired capacity to minimum 2, maximum 4. You can also click on the auto scaling groups. Yeah. Now you could see different menus, right?
Right, Shankar.
Automatic scaling, instance management, instance refresh. So instance management, if you go, it will show you how many instances are available. Is it registered?
Right.
Or it is healthy, it is registered. If you go to ECS console also, you will see similar information.
Okay, I
You
think they're turning now. We got it. The clusters,
okay,
the instances.
correct. I think it's added the instances there.
Right.
Okay. Now, if you go to the ChatGPT link that I shared with you,
This is
okay, not this, the other one. One more link I shared, right? I'll share it to you, right?
question. This is the one, right, Shankar.
Yeah, this is the one. So if you go down, in the middle, yeah, yeah, this one. From here, you get started. How to deploy a Docker file into Docker Swarm. That's probably Kushal will take care of it and get it running. Then you go down further. ECS, there is one more deploy task in ECS. Yeah. So you need to probably come from the top. You need to create a task and then you need to create a service, deploy the task inside the ECS container. You may feel it is a little uh, too much information that you need to go through, but it will help you to understand the process. Task means creating a Docker container. I'll share this.
Okay, Shankar. I'm gonna stop my share.
See first how to create a Flask app in Python Flask app using a Docker file. This is the basic Docker file that is required. This is the way you run the application inside your Docker container so that application is accessible to the outside world. Whatever code that you write, app.py, that code will be accessible outside. So we already have examples for this app.py. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to copy this particular task definition JSON file. Okay. So this is the way you should do it. You just need to say create task in the ECS cluster named Kubernetes. So you need to, from command line, you need to run AWS ECS run task. Cluster name is Kubernetes. Launch type, okay, launch type must be EC2. Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen. Another, you can open it once again. You can refresh the URL, that ChatGPT URL. Go a little up and then get the Docker file. See app.py, you can see, right? A little down. You need to come down, I'm saying. Come down. Yeah, so Flask voting app.py file is there, right? This file needs to be copied, and Docker file also need to be copied. Both the files need to be copied. And then if you go down, yeah, so here we need to do this. All this subnet ID, we need to copy and paste it. You just give it a try today. If it doesn't work, I'll do the actual practical stuff tomorrow.
Okay,
Uh,
Shankar.
you guys are ready for tomorrow's call, morning or on Monday only?
I am available, Shankar.
I am also available, Shankar.
Okay, sure. Then we'll get it done tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, Shankar.
Okay, Shankar. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, just give it a try from your side, whatever is possible. Just do some R&D, how to run a task. Simple Hello World app also, it is okay. Not a voting app. Simple Hello World app also. So we can just copy paste the command from the command line, copy paste the commands and put it in the Git bash and run it. It should work fine as long as VPC subnet details are correct.
Okay, Shankar. Okay.
Sure. I'll share the recording to you guys. Just watch it and then try to do it.
Got it, Shankar.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.